In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse lunge off of a step up, otherwise known as a deficit reverse lunge. So firstly, we're going to be doing this with dumbbells in this demonstration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step up onto the step up in a position where my feet are hip width apart. You want to have your feet in the middle of the step up, so make sure your heels are not hanging off or your toes. From this position, what you're going to do is you're going to be facing forwards, shoulders back, and you're going to bring one leg directly behind your body. So I'm going to do this on my right leg to start off with. So right leg comes back. You'll notice with that right leg, I'm on my forefoot and toes. I'm going to drop my back leg down whilst keeping my back straight, hover the knee off the floor and come back to my start position. It would be exactly the same on the opposing side. So my left foot is going to come back. I come into a position where I'm facing forwards. I've got both feet pointing forwards as I come back through the back leg, down and back up, and then back into my start position. So cues, looking up, chest up, shoulders back. One foot comes back, directly down with the back leg's knee, hover off the floor and back to your start position. Once you've repeated your desired amount of repetitions, pop the weights down under control. And of course, if you want to improve the exercise to make it harder, you can challenge yourself by bringing yourself into a higher step-up position or by challenging yourself with more resistance in the way of heavier dumbbells. That's how to do the reverse lunge on a step-up or deficit lunge.